Hi, I'm Avinash Chawla and I'm going to discuss about how to add an attribute to a business object through Customer 360 Insights UI. The agenda of this session is to discuss about the introduction part of what a business object is and what are the attributes and what is a configuration manager along with a demo and followed by a summary. In the introduction part, I'll be telling you what a business object is. Basically, a business object is a group of attributes which are tagged to it. Like, say, for example, there could be a person business object having attributes such as first name, last name, family name, middle name, height, etc. An attribute is a leaf level information which has the data related to that business object with a data type such as string, character, or it could be a boolean, whatever data type based on the attribute you want to create. And out of the box, the configuration manager is a tool used for customization for a client. And addition of a business object is possible through the visual attributes section in the Customer 360 UI. So about configuration manager, it is It is a tool which is available in the product to customize all the configurations of the product. Like it could be matching, it could be standardization or a data model. Like in this session, I'm going to discuss about a module in the data model, like how you can accommodate uh, an attribute to a business object addition feature. And the business model is available in the mentioned mentioned the mentioned configuration files for batch and RTS out of the box. And the customized business data model can be viewed in the header files for the paths shared for batch and RTS. And in this demo, we will be adding an attribute called as blood group to a person business object. Over to the demo part. So log into the Customer 360 Insights UI configuration manager using a valid credentials. Navigate to the configuration sets page and user must click the configure button available in the configuration set, whichever is required. Select the data model option from the screen, which will navigate to the hierarchy model screen. Here you can see the business data model of the out of the box feature. Then right click on the business object under which the new attribute is to be created. Click on the edit button. A pane opens. Click on the add attribute to the business object person. Here and you can enter the details like we wanted to get. The data type can be set as anything whichever is required. I'm gonna go with a string. Searchable should be set to true for searching in the customer search page. And you just save it. After model customization, it is mandatory for the model binaries by publishing it. So click on the publish icon to publish the updated data model. Now it has been successfully set. If you can see, the blood group is added to the business object. This attribute called as business group is available. And then in the next step, you need to click on the settings option available on the top right pane and select deploy configuration set. You need to deploy the configuration set at real-time services and at batch processing level and click on submit. Successfully deployed for the real-time services. Again, go to the deploy configuration set and then click on the batch processing and then proceed with the submit. After successfully deploying for both batch and real-time services, we need to restart the Tomcat Apache server through backend. Restarting the Tomcat Apache server, log into the C360 UI using a superadmin credential. Navigate to the superadmin control panel option and click on the update configuration to refresh the searchable attributes and perspective. Remember that we have set the searchable to true during the attribute creation. This is the reason. Now the configuration has been updated. Navigate back to the home page and in the customer search input field, we can search for the business object and the new attribute blood group whether it got added or not by searching person business object with the blood group. Now you can see that the person blood group business object with that attribute is added successfully. For additional information, you can always refer to the KB articles and the documents available in the portal. Thank you so much for